What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today I'm just going to show you how to set up multiple fingerprints on your fingerprint scanner. So you just want to go to your screen, lock and biometrics. You want to go to fingerprint and you want to set this up. I currently had one set, but I deleted it. So we're just going to hit continue, and then we're going to hit register. Just going to do what it tells us to do, but I like to use multiple fingers in different angles because you never know what kind of position you're in or how your phone is laying when you go pick up your device. So I like to do 2 fingers at a time. I love to do my index finger and my thumb. So when we go to done and we jump back into my lock screen, just like that, my thumb works. Just like that, my index finger works. And I can keep turning it to the different angles that I had it set for. I'm sure you can probably do another finger if you want to, but those are the 2 fingers that I use on unlocking my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, my thumb, and also my index finger. That's all I need. And the reason why I was turning it different ways, because you never know how your phone is laying down, and you may go pick up your phone like this, you know, and you want to be able to get in just like that, or however you pick up your device. So that is why I come here and set those 2 fingerprints at a time. But you can also go back into this and set, you can do some more fingers. So I'm going to show you. You also can go back into here, and I have, this is the fingerprint 1 that I have set up. You can also go to add another fingerprint, and I can do it again. But let's say we want to use this finger. And my thumb and my index finger at the same time. I won't probably use this one, but I'm going to show you that this one also works. So we're going to use fingerprint 2. So those are the 2 that I have set. So now I should be able to use my 3rd finger to unlock, look, my device, and use my thumb and use my index finger at the exact same time. Hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.